This ain't grandma's photo frame. Cozyla's 17-inch frame blows minds and eyes. Ever feel like your memories are held hostage in your phone, just collecting digital dust? Maybe you're tired of fumbling with clunky cloud apps, digging through a million photos to show grandma that one perfect birthday pic, only to get the dreaded "no storage left" notification. Let's be real. Most digital frames are either way too small, too pixelated, or straight up confusing to use. And printing? Forget it, it's 2025, not 1995. If you've ever felt overwhelmed just trying to share joy with your loved ones, Cozyla's got your back, your bandwidth, and your heartstrings. Sound familiar? You're juggling work, life, and a gazillion photos. Meanwhile, your family's missing out on the best moments of your life because tech is a nightmare. Sharing baby's first step turns into a 17-step tech tutorial. And let's not even talk about that one app that crashes every time you upload a video. By the time you've synced, cropped, resized, emailed, and failed, again, you're exhausted. The more you try to connect, the more disconnected you feel. This isn't just annoying, it's heartbreaking. Your memories deserve better. Your family deserves better. You deserve better. Enter the Cozyla 17-inch digital picture frame, the memory-sharing beast with brains, beauty, and one mission: to make your moments shine. This isn't just a screen, it's a storytelling portal with full 4:3 quad VGA display, crystal clear playback, voice overlays, and zero storage limits. Yeah, zero. From full-length videos to funny captions and even audio stories, Cozyla turns your everyday photos into epic experiences. Upload via app, email, Google Photos, even Instagram. And thanks to AI photo enhancement and voice-added talking photos, your stories don't just appear, they live. Say goodbye to pixelated potatoes and hello to vibrant, high-res eye candy. Cozyla nails the vibe with custom slideshows, a built-in art gallery, auto brightness, and a setup so easy your technophobe aunt could do it blindfolded. Want to gift it? Use remote gift mode to preload images before they even unbox it, like a surprise party for their eyeballs. It's secure, private, and backed by Amazon's cloud servers. Want to see how Cozyla turns your photo chaos into visual poetry? Stick around, hit that like, and let your memories start making noise. Don't wait till your phone crashes or your family group chat goes cold. Thousands have already turned Cozyla into their go-to family storyteller, and they're not looking back. Limited stock. Unlimited love. No subscriptions. No hidden fees. Just pure, effortless connection. Whether you're a nostalgia junkie, proud parent, or the family MVP of memory sharing, Cozyla is your game changer. Click now, claim yours, and give your memories the stage they deserve. Don't just store your stories, show them off. Loudly. Proudly. Beautifully.